All right, nursing students, if this alarm goes off and you freeze, that's a problem. You're in the ICU and your patient's ventilator alarm starts beeping. The screen says high pressure. You check, the patient's coughing and looks distressed. What's your first move? Option 1 is to call respiratory. Option 2 is to suction the airway. Option 3 is to adjust the ventilator settings. Option 4 is to silence the alarm and wait. Comment your answer and download the Nurse Prep app in the bio to prep for real ICU calls like this. The best answer is option 2, suction the airway. High pressure alarms usually mean obstruction, and coughing is a clue. You fix the airway before calling anyone.